Welcome, family. Welcome, new family members. Every day our family just keeps getting bigger and bigger. Today we're having meatballs in mushroom gravy with mashed potatoes and fresh green beans. And the hamburger meat is from Thielen Meats in Little Falls, Minnesota. And the hamburger is actually wild rice. They call it wild rice meatloaf. They mix the wild rice and spices in it. It's delicious. So I want to give them a shout out. So yeah, come join me. Let's make this. Yes, we're gonna make meatballs. Meatballs for supper and I'm going to be using the recipe from the meat market from Thielen Meats. Thielen Meats. I told them I was going to do it, and they said, yes, do it. So if you ever live in Minnesota, that is the best meat market. I've been going there for years. I think there's one in Pierce, Minnesota, and there's one in Little Falls. And they make their own, they do their own stuff. So yeah, this is they grind their own hamburger with, and it's got wild rice in it. It's all ready to go. Their hamburger is so good. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, I'm gonna get this ready for the make meatballs and put some. It looks like it's got green pepper and everything in it. Here, I'll bring you over here. Yeah, it looks. Oh, there is some. Yeah, there's seasoning in it, so I'm not going to put seasoning in it. I'm just going to put some onions because I like lots of onions, so I'm going to add extra onions. And it looks like it's got some fat in with it, so this might be a little better than, because the regular hamburger absolutely has no fat in it whatsoever. So, but I'm still going to use some olive oil and some butter. I'm going to get this pan warmed up because I'm going to put it in the oven. I hope you can hear me over the air conditioner. I've just discovered that it it makes the microphone echo. So I'm going to add some butter and some olive oil. I know. Yeah, we'll just let that go. And this is their recipe that they gave me. So, and they said you can do it with a meatloaf or hamburger patties or meatballs. And I think I'm going to make meatballs because I think that'll make my husband happier. Yeah, it's all about making other people happy, you know. Staying busy and serving others. I'm going to let that warm up. And while I'm doing that, I might as well, I'm letting that warm up, I might as well get this They said just with a little bit of milk and cream of mushroom, but I am going to add a little bit of my own. I'm going to add some stuff over in the gravy part. Okay. I'm going to get a whisk. And I am going to add some soy sauce. Just a few shakes. And some W sauce. A few shakes. Okay. And maybe even some garlic powder. And some pepper. I'm not going to add salt because I have no idea what they put in it. I don't know if they put salt in it or not. I'm going to give this a mix. And so I'm going to add a little bit of milk. They say a quarter cup, so let's go with that. That's about a quarter cup. We'll see what that looks like when I get done here. I'm going to put the oven on 350. Okay, that should be ready to go here. Nope. I'm just going to put these in here. Get these going. Should be around the same size. So that's all I'm going to be able to fit in there right now. So I'm going to make these up and put them right beside here. 2 pounds, which I had 2 pounds. Smells really good. Okay, we're going to cook these up. I won't make you sit here and watch me do that. And we'll come back when I'm ready to put them in. Okay. Second batch. Flip them over. Okay, I'm going to turn this off now. I'm going to put that there. I got the oven on 350, like I said. Oh, my dog's not here, but she'll have a treat when she gets back. Isn't there an old story about the meatball that ran away? An old kid story? Spaghetti and meatball thing? Okay, I'm going to get rid of some of this grease, though. Because I don't want all that grease in it. There. Here we go. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to put these meatballs back in here. They mostly stayed together pretty good. That's okay if they didn't. Because it's all going to taste the same, right? Yes, indeed. And I'm just going to do green beans and mashed potatoes with it. I don't have green beans in the garden anymore, not this year. But I did buy some farm fresh green beans. So, and I blanched them and freezed them. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour this mushroom sauce, this mushroom soup sauce over it. Yes, yes. I'm going to cover this. It didn't say to, but so I'm just going to put these in the oven I'm going to check them, I don't know, half an hour, 45 minutes, whatever, 350. I'll check them in a little bit. All right, see that? All right, we're gonna check this. It's been 30 minutes. I'm pretty sure I want it to be longer. Oh, it smells so good. I'm gonna let it go a little longer because I'm gonna get my beans. And I'm gonna put some butter in here. Okay, get my beans out. Well, my baby girl, she found the meatball that fell on the floor. She was with her daddy. He took her to town to buy her birthday present, late birthday present, because her birthday was yesterday, but she got a pup cup. She was so happy because she didn't get any sleep last night with the thunder coming, and even though it didn't storm all night, she thought it was going to storm all night, so she panicked all night. Okay, just going to toss these in here. They're cold because I just got them out of the freezer not long ago. And I'm going to put some onion powder. And of course, we got to use the garlic powder. I used to have a really big garden back when the kids were younger. I even grew Brussels sprouts. The only thing I didn't grow in the garden was corn. I had lots of tomatoes because I canned tomatoes. And I had cabbage and Brussels sprouts and lots of peppers, all kinds of different peppers, hot peppers, sweet peppers, bell peppers. Lots of green beans. Oh, that was my favorite. So I had rows and rows of green beans. I had carrots and beets. I didn't have trouble with rabbits then, and I don't know why all of a sudden now, I suppose in the past 10 years, all of a sudden there's rabbits and deer, and there's more people living out here though. When I first moved out here, I moved out here in the country in 1989, and there was only 4 homes out here in this vast emptiness. But now it's filled up, so. And I planted all my trees. Okay, I don't want those to cook too long, so they should be good now. Now I'm just gonna make the instant potatoes that my husband loves. Got a cup of milk in there. It was 2.5 cups of water and butter and a little bit of garlic powder there. And these are the ones, it's creamy mash. Honest Earth creamy mash. They're his favorite. They're really creamy and he loves them. And they are better tasting than your flakes. These are like granules. Here you go. Look at that. Fast. All right. This is gonna be good. There you go. Look at how good those look. Oh. Put some potatoes there. Let's throw it down. Yeah, gotta throw some of that on her. Gotta grab another spoon. And there you have it. We can even pour a little bit of this gravy over the potatoes, see? Look at that. Give it some more. Yummy, yummy, right? Thanks for joining me today for Wild Rice Meatballs. The hamburger is already, the wild rice is in it, the spices from Thielen Meats in Little Falls, Minnesota. Wonderful, wonderful meat there. And we're having mashed potatoes with it. Green beans. Let's have a bite. I cheated, I already had a bite, but this is so good. So good. And it would make wonderful hamburger patties too. With the gravy or meatloaf like they want you to make it. It's just wonderful. And it's so easy, y'all. All I did was add onions. The green beans are wonderful. So, thanks for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead, subscribe and join me in this journey. And please like and share my videos so we let YouTube and the algorithms know I'm out there. And we'll see you next time for something different. And remember, stay busy and serve others. Bye for now.